With a sound basis of 100 years in the business, Henry Williams combined traditional skills with modern tooling design methods. Utilizing the most up-to-date CAD/CAM software enables Henry Williams to create complex forging designs both quickly and easily. Automated saws cutting bundled material ensure costs are kept to an absolute minimum. Traditional drop stamping offers a reliable forging process which has stood the test of time. Recent investment in a new hammer suite has enabled Henry Williams to cope with increasing customer demands on punctuality and reducing lead times. Mechanical upsetting offers a versatile and efficient forging method that is not these days commonly available. In-house heat treatment and shot blasting facilities, in addition to material testing, are all part of our comprehensive service. Our wide-ranging machining facilities include several CNCs and VMCs, as well as traditional drills and lathes. All our operations are carried out in accordance with our BSI certified quality standards. Whatever your forging requirements, Henry Williams can provide a full in-house service, from initial forging design to fully machined component.